Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer repair video. Today we've got the HP Officejet Pro 9015. This is a newer model that we are working on, and basically if you're having any issues with your print quality, a certain color isn't printing, or you have an overall and general print quality issue, today I'm going to show you a method and a product that's going to help you solve that problem quickly and inexpensively. Now before we get started, there will be a link in the description below for the product that I will be using to repair this printer, the Best Printers Cleaning Kit. It is the top product on the market for printer cleaning / repair. It has been tested and proven, and I have seen tremendous results with this product. So I'm really excited to be sharing it with you guys. Now, any other products that I mention in this video will also be in the description below. So anytime during the video, if you need something, you can always pause it, go down there, take what you need. Same goes for the instructions. This is an instructional video. As you're going along, pause, take some notes if you need to, apply it, and then come back to the video. That's how you will end up getting the best results with this. Now, any instructions that come in the Best Printers Cleaning Kit package, you will use simultaneously with the instructions in this video. Make sure to visit my website, bestprinterstech.com. Sign up for emails. You can stay current on new products that are launching and coming onto the market, as well as some other products that are available on my website. If this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It'd be greatly appreciated. But without further ado, let's get started. Okay, you guys, so the very first thing you are going to want to do is, of course, power this machine on, and you're going to go into your maintenance to print out a test page. Now, I didn't do it here in the video, but it's very easy to find in your maintenance section by sliding down on the screen. And that is going to allow you to see what color exactly you are having issues with. Now, the next thing, of course, is what you see me doing there, is taking out the ink. A lot of times what causes this problem with the print head and not being able to print out a certain color is you're running your ink way too low. And it doesn't matter which color it is, any of these colors being run too low can cause a major issue for your print head. Now, luckily, this is a very simple fix, very simple repair for you to do. Now, what I'm doing here is there is a latch that is holding the print head in. I'm sticking my hand right in there. You'll see me pointing at it. And all you have to do is lift this up, and this is going to give you access to be able to actually pull out your print head. Again, this is a very easy fix, especially because this print head is removable, so you are in luck if you are doing this on your printer. A lot of other models that you're not able to do this. So you play around with it a little bit and shake it around until you are able to fully just pull it out. And this is your print head. Once it is out, you are then going to want to get a container, plastic container that's at least 3 to 4 inches deep, just like this one, where you can place your print head right in there, because what you're going to be doing now is you are going to be using the Best Printers Cleaning Kit. Again, there's a link in the description below. This product has a 95% success rate, so I highly recommend that you go down there and get yourself your cleaning kit. Now, what you do is you do have a 20 milliliter syringe. This is a premium syringe, large syringe, so that you can push your cleaning solution through continuously. So you're going to need that test page that you printed from earlier to be able to determine what color exactly you are going to actually flush out at first. You can do it to every single color and whichever color you feel like needs it the most. But really, you're going to want to start off with the color that is giving you the most issues, whether that's cyan, magenta, yellow, or black. And you see there it's labeled, and you can see which color is which in the nozzles. So once you have filled up your syringe with the cleaning solution, you are then determining which color. And of course, we are going to go with yellow here. So you are gently, it's a little blurry here, but gently place the end of your syringe, the tubing, right on there. So you can see there, it's me gently, even if you have to stick your hand in there to kind of get it over. Once it's this syringe tubing is over the printer nozzle, it's going to be locked in there. It's going to be secure because that's how this syringe was made, so that it locks on. And then you are going to be able to push your solution through. Now, don't stop. If you need one or two breaks, if it's giving you a lot of pressure and not pushing through the way it is here in the video, take it easy. There's some other instructions showing you to, in the box, telling you to warm up the solution, then come back to it. But just like that, you see me pushing all the cleaning solution through. What this is doing is it's unblocking any dried up ink that there might be in the printer. That's really all there is to it, guys. You can do this to every single nozzle, every single color. And really after this, if you wanted to, since you're already here, if you wanted to, you could clean out really just even the rest of the colors. So once you're done, you're really going to want to dry this off. Make sure that's completely dry before you ever put it back into the printer. Also, make sure to clean out your container. Do everything you need to. So at this point, you are putting the print head right back in. And putting it back in, it's very simple. The carriage that holds the print head should still be in place there, and you can turn the printer off or on. Honestly, you should keep it on because it'll keep the carriage in place. So you place it right back down in there, and you gently just shake it around and move it until it's in place, and you can feel that it is actually in place and it's not going anywhere. And of course, the latch that you flipped up, you are now flipping down. You can't really see it from this angle, but it's all the way up there, and you see my hand reaching, and I pulled it down just now. You are then reinstalling your ink. Now, if you needed to purchase some brand new HP ink, wait for that to come in the mail before you reinstall. Because essentially what you're doing if you put in your old ink is you're starting the problem all over again. So that is a very, very key point here, is that you need to make sure that your ink has arrived and that you have new ink that you are actually installing onto the printer. And now you're done. All right, you guys, so I hope that this ended up working out for you. Remember, you can do this over and over again, and if you needed some more fluid, just buy more of the cleaning kit so that you can continue cleaning the print head and the different colors as needed. Now, if for whatever reason this ended up not working out for you, but you still wanted to have the Officejet 9015, there are similar products, and you could even go back and buy the 9015 unit. There will be a link to the HP Officejet 9015, this printer here, just in case this didn't work out and you just needed a new printer. There's going to be that option available for you. I really hope that this ended up being helpful for you. If you have any questions at all, go ahead and comment below, and I'll do my best to get to every question, concern that you might have. Also, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. That'd be greatly appreciated. But thank you for watching, and until next time.